My sidewalk ain't doing too bad, but I threw salt down before it started. I think like a half hour, 45 minutes before it started. I'm guessing right about now we got a little less than an inch, maybe an inch, or more. Hell, might be more. This is 2nd Street out here. What any of it? Alright. Thank you. This is 2nd Street and Industrial Boulevard. I don't know if you can still see it. Yeah, you can see it. It's coming down pretty good. It's fine. Like a mist. But there ain't no Industrial Boulevard. It's covered. Nice. As you can see, nothing. It's covered. Well, they ain't even going to clear over. You look. The plows are only plowing her. Let me see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 feet. And then now that's all. That whole lane ain't even touched. They're just pushing it over that far. I guess they'll come back. Alright, earlier there was a car wreck before the snow. You can still see the marks in the snow. And my feet. Good marks. I'm not sure why they wrecked. Unless somebody fell asleep. But as you can see, the sign don't have. It's supposed to have 2 legs. 2nd Street sign took a whack. But yeah, the cars came, I'm guessing from that way, and took out the 2nd Street sign. I don't know if they got together or what. But alright. This is where you go across from 1st to Industrial Boulevard. There's 1st Street. As you come down, you're supposed to be able to go over there to go over to the other side. You can't do it. Well, you can, but you're going to slide good. It hasn't been touched. There's still some people out. But my understanding there a little bit ago, if your city's in a state of emergency, your boss cannot force you to go to work. Just a little reminder. It was posted on Facebook, it was on channel 13, I think 13, and all that good stuff. These streets are dangerous, I'm telling you. There's no way in the world you should be trying to go to work if you can't. If you got a car, I'd stay home. Because the streets are covered. I mean, they're covered. Okay. This is the intersection of my street and 1st. There's my footprints from earlier. I've tried to record this 3 times tonight. First time was on the other camera, you couldn't see nothing. The second time, for some reason it's been changed to MOV file instead of the AVI. So, here we go for number 3. This is my street, and it's blanketed big time. I don't see no marks from a plow neither.